In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on Airbnb. Leaving a thoughtful review helps future travelers make informed choices and gives hosts valuable feedback to keep improving. I'll walk you through the exact flow you'll see on the app or website and share a few tips to make your review clear, fair, and useful without adding any extra steps. First, log into Airbnb on your phone or computer. Once you're in, head to the trips section. This is where all your bookings live and where you'll find the stays that are eligible for review. Select your completed stay. Reviews are only available after you've checked out, so if you don't see the option yet, give it a little time after your departure for the system to update. Next, look for the Leave a Review prompt. Airbnb typically nudges you with a notification or a reminder email after checkout, but you can always start from the trips page if you prefer. If the button isn't visible, confirm you're viewing the correct, completed reservation rather than an upcoming one. You'll begin by rating your stay. Start with the overall experience, then work through the specific categories. For cleanliness, think about whether surfaces, linens, and bathrooms met your expectations on arrival. Accuracy is about how closely the listing matched what you actually found. Photos, amenities, and descriptions. Communication covers how responsive and helpful the host was before and during your stay. For location, consider whether the area felt as described, not whether it's your favorite neighborhood. Check-in focuses on how smooth it was to get inside, from instructions to key exchange or smart lock use. And value is your sense of what you received for the price you paid. Be honest and consistent across categories so your star ratings tell a clear story. Now write your review. Aim for a short, specific summary that highlights what stood out and anything future guests should know. Keep the tone respectful and objective. For example, the place was clean, exactly as described, and the host was very responsive. Check-in was smooth and the Wi-Fi was fast. Would definitely stay again. Details like noise levels, parking clarity, or how well the heating and cooling worked can be helpful, as long as you keep it factual and concise. Finally, submit your review. You have 14 days after checkout to post it. Reviews from guests and hosts are shared after both sides submit or when the 14-day window closes, so write your feedback while the details are fresh. Give everything a quick proofread, hit submit, and you're done.